retail is the area that we excel in. As you know, we've got basically a fourth of everything. We're a fourth of the branches, a fourth of the ATMs, a fourth of the point of sale, and we very much focused on automation. Having said that, as I mentioned to you, in both SME and in corporate, we believe we've been underperforming for some time, and also in Treasury. So we've been putting more focuses in those businesses, and we've seen good gains over the last 18 months, and we expect that to continue.
Okay, if that's going to continue, are those the key areas for growth potential, or are there other areas as well?
Well, the number one growth potential for us is mortgage. If you think about the country wanting to increase the percentage of home ownership, we're in the prime position to take advantage of that. Our share in mortgages has also grown quite substantially. We're at 20.4%, I believe, at the end of 2015, and we're now at 24%. Roughly 42 to 45% of every mortgage written in the last 18 months, we've been able to have occur at RAJHI Bank. So strategically for us, growing this part of the business will position the bank, I think, for long-term success.
The problem is, though, that you're in a marketplace that has got issues. The IMF is expecting GDP growth in Saudi Arabia to be close to zero for 2017, and looking to the whole of 2018, they're talking about a softening of credit demand. That's partly on the back of reduced government spending. Is that going to impact your prospects for the year?
Look, of course you have to look at what's occurring in the economy, but we're really focused on continuing to grow our position, improving our products. Or for example, during 2017 so far, we've launched 10 new products. We've been investing very heavily in our digital agenda. So we still think there's a lot of opportunity, and even the new expansionary budget that was just announced last year, I think everyone expects that that'll have a positive impact on the economy. So we remain relatively optimistic about 2018.
All right, and I'll throw a little bit of extra optimism in there, having tried to dampen it down earlier. There is a framework being put together to allow more foreign investment in the Saudi market. How important is that?
Look, I think that's critical. If you think about the country's ambitions to transform the economy, it needs both foreign technology as well as investment. And I think you'll see the kingdom increasingly leverage that. And this is partly why there's been so much focus on making changes to foreign investment rules, to how quickly trades get done, the T+2, -1, et cetera, all the changes that are taking place to enable and to increase confidence for foreign investors to come into the market. And of course, Aramco is expected to be a game changer, not only for Saudi Arabia, but for the Middle East.